Hey, I'm Jen. I am a medical esthetician for like 20 years and I love trying new products and seeing what works and what doesn't and letting my clients know what I think would be good for them. So today I'm going to be talking about concealers. And honestly, if you follow me on other social media platforms, I posted this where I was trying different concealers to see which were like hydrating. These are my top 12 concealers that I picked, like my top 12 favorites that I'll sometimes grab. And I wanted to narrow it down for my clients that have like under eye aging concerns. What would be good for them? So I have narrowed it down to 5. Let's get started. So my top 5 picks for under eye concealer for more mature skin with, me analyzing it as a medical esthetician and knowing skin like really well. So my number 5 pick is actually this one from Physicians Formula. So they had this line, the Nude Glow line, a while ago, and it looks like it's harder to find. Like they don't have it on Physicians Formula website anymore. This was like 13 bucks. I used to get it at a store by me and all the drugstores. You can find it online. And what I liked about this was that if I was like at work all day and then I came home and like wanted to go for drinks or go out to dinner with my husband, instead of like redoing all my makeup, I put this on and it was just like a nice glowy look, and it didn't get cakey or anything. So this is like the light to medium shade, and it's like it has like a peachy undertone. It does not have a lot of coverage, which is why I like to use it either like in that layered technique, or if like a really light makeup day for super fast, when you're not going to be out long and you don't need like a lot of coverage. This is like a really, really nice product, and I still will grab this in certain circumstances. So you can see it has like a nice sheen to it, and it's just a really, really nice product. So hopefully I'll be able to continue to get it because I would repurchase it. Number 4 pick is the one that I have here that I offer to some of my clients. And this is an interesting formula. This is also about $14. And there's kaolin in it, so clay. So it's good for people that have like that oily under eye or eye issue, a really oily skin, or in the summer when you don't want one of these like more hydrating type of concealers. This is really nice. And say the coverage is buildable, it's amazing. And you can mix a concealer like this if hypothetically you have a concealer that's like a little dry. Just mix it with like a little bit of eye cream. Just like say you wanted to boost a foundation, you would mix it with a cream to give you like a tinted moisturizer type effect. And you can do the same thing with an under eye product. Mix your under eye cream with a little cream. I like it with cream better than serum, and then apply it, and it will give you that creamier consistency. Okay, so let's talk about my top 3, and let's go with number 3 first. So number 3 is the Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics. So this is waterproof, and I'm sure a lot of people have tried this. It's pretty thick, so you really need like a tiny amount of it, and it's very creamy, and it has really good buildable coverage. So if you do have dark like under eye circles, which I don't really have that issue, then this is like a really good product to have because there is more coverage on this one than on my number 1 product that I'm going to talk to you about, and it's waterproof. So this has I think it's glycerin in the formula, and it is buildable, and it is waterproof. This is $29.99. And this is really good, and you need a tiny amount. You can apply this with like a wet beauty sponge to sheer it out some. But even better than this, and the packaging is so similar that it's like a dupe, is the NYX Gotcha Covered. This one is only like $9, and I like this one better, and it's like 20 bucks cheaper. This one has coconut oil in it. I use the color light in this one, and in this one I got light nude in the Bye Bye Under Eye one. So for some reason, I guess because of the coconut oil in this NYX one, it's just a little bit creamier. I feel like it's a little bit easier to like apply, and I feel like it stays on longer. And on the days like I want more coverage and want to look like more awake, I would use this one. And I tend to probably use this one more in the summer because it's waterproof. So if I'm going to the pool or something, then like I like to have on like some makeup and SPF just so I feel like I have more coverage from the sun. So I like this one. It's cheaper, and again, I would probably apply it with a wet beauty sponge just to sheer it out some, because it is pretty thick, which is why my number 1 pick is this Physicians Formula Butter Glow. Physicians Formula Butter Glow. It's hard to say, but I was trying to think about how the best way to do this little project was, and I tried taking pictures in the beginning of the day and the end of the day, but the problem is like my life isn't the same every day, and I don't have the same foundation on every day because I'm trying different foundations, and I'm always trying different skincare products. So I just wanted to use it like, how does it wear on my under eyes? How does it look at the end of the day? And just use like my top ones So that's why it's taken me so long to put this together. So I'm not going to insert pictures because some days I work out, some days I don't, some days I'm sweating a lot, and some days I don't. And so like it wears down the concealer differently. So it's going to look different in the pictures. So I just want to give you like my feedback of how it felt and how I think it looked consistently like day to day on different types of occasions. Okay. So I know not a lot of people seem to like this one. Maybe they have darker circles and I don't have that issue. So for me, I don't use this like little tip that it comes with. I either use my fingers or I'll use a brush. I'm just trying to see. So the Butter Glow has 3 different types of butter, amino acids. It does have a perfume, but it doesn't bother me. And I got the color medium to light. So why I like this one is because I apply it in different ways. So like if I want a lot of like coverage and to have like a brighter under eye, I apply it over my foundation. So I'll apply my foundation and then I'll apply this. But on most days, like I want like a more natural look. So I will, like today, I did like my moisturizers and then I applied this anywhere like I want it to be a little brighter. Maybe I'll do a video on how I do my makeup. And then I put my tinted moisturizer, which I have on today, not a full foundation. I just put my tinted moisturizer on over it. So I blended this in a little bit and then put my tinted moisturizer on over it. And if you're my client, you know the Natural Glow is like where it's at. For like your base product, it's just like an amazing product. I really can't find anything that I like that much better than that. These are my top choices for under eye concealers. I think they're multi-purpose. I think you can layer them. I think they're hydrating. I'll do another video on like under eye primers that I like for more mature skin, and also like different ways to set it. And I've been playing with that, and I think I have some like really good tips for drier, more mature skin, or if you want it to last like throughout the day. Like I'll come to work and then I go to the gym and like it stays put. So I'll give you tips on that as well. So if you like these kind of videos, please follow and like them and subscribe, and let me know down below like what under eye concealers that you like if you have more mature skin or dry under eyes. I'd be curious. I would definitely try different things. I love trying new things out and being able to recommend them to my clients or to people that I know that are struggling. So my next group of videos will be also on cheek tints and liquid blushes. I'm on like a kick with that. I don't know how I feel about them when it starts to get really warm here on the East Coast, but right now like I'm loving those, and I have like 4 that I like, but 1 that I love, and I'll talk about that because I think those give like a nice youthful appearance and they're super easy. And then I have a whole video I want to do on lashes. I'm really into maintaining lashes, rebuilding lashes. A lot of my clients took their eyelash extensions off and they want to just rebuild healthy lashes because as you get older, you start to lose lashes. They're thin and brittle, and things that you can do to help that. I will let you know in my videos to come. So definitely like and subscribe so you'll see what's coming up. And I hope this helps give you some ideas, and till next time, guys.